Okay, student psi is equal to written as a sine 2 pi x by lambda. This is the wave function for moving electron. Here you see this is the wave-like motion of electron. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, this is the amplitude A, this is the lambda, wavelength of moving electron. If mass m, velocity v, psi is given by a sine 2 pi x by lambda. This is equation first. Differentiating above equation with respect to x twicely, differentiating equation first with respect to x twicely. Okay, what happened? D psi upon dx equal to a. Here 2 pi by lambda is the constant, so out. Okay, sine, differentiation of sine becomes cos x, so 2 pi x by lambda, cos 2 pi x by lambda. Okay, students, again d square psi upon dx square equal to a. A is here 2 pi by lambda, again 2 pi by lambda out. Then what happened? 2 pi by lambda, that means 4 pi square lambda square into a. Differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So this is becomes a sin 2 pi x by lambda. Okay, student, this is written as value of psi. So this is equal to minus 4 pi square upon lambda square psi. This is the value of del square x dx square. Okay, this is the equation second. Okay, students, so we will write here wave function psi value, differentiating it twicely, we find out del square psi upon dx square equal to minus 4 pi square upon lambda square psi. This is equation second. Student, we know that according to de Broglie equation, Broglie, you write lambda equal to h upon mb. So, students, you know that total energy of the system, that is E, equal to, we know that total energy of any system is equal to kinetic energy K plus potential energy V. So equation we write E is equal to K plus V. But kinetic energy you write half mv square, okay, plus V E is equal to. So you write here mv square equal to 2E minus V. This is the another equation. This is the third. This is the fourth equation. Okay, students, we find out here equation fourth. Total energy of system is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So from third and fourth, find out students, from second and third, putting the value of lambda from de Broglie equation into equation second, del square psi dx square, del square psi dx square equal to minus 4 pi square. Putting the value of lambda square, you find out h square, m square, v square. Okay, student, this is the psi. Okay, then this is the equation fifth, then fourth and fifth. From fourth and fifth you find out. Students, seen here m square v square, that is from fourth you putting the value of mb square, find out del square psi upon ds square equal to minus 4 pi square upon h square m into mb square. M square b square written as m into mb square. We put either value of mb square from here to e minus v psi equal to, okay, student, psi. Then you finally find out del square psi dx square equal, then you take this value from left hand side, 8 pi square m upon h square e minus v equal to 0. Write the value of psi also. Okay, students, finally this is the Schrodinger wave equation for only x axis. Okay, students, for x, y and z axis you can write. Finally you can write, student, for x, y and z axis you can write here seen del square psi dx square plus del square psi dy square plus del square psi dz square plus 8 pi square m e minus b upon h square psi equal to 0. This is the Schrodinger wave equation, final equation of Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, students, finally we find out here Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, this is the derivation of Schrodinger wave equation. That's all.